Hiking in 20-degree weather, what you need to know? Dressing for success, layering for cold weather hiking. Start with a base layer made of moisture-wicking material, such as polyester or merino wool. Add an insulating layer, such as a fleece or down jacket, to trap body heat and provide warmth. Finish with an outer layer that is wind-resistant and waterproof. It's also important to dress in layers that you can easily remove or add on as needed. For example, if you start getting too hot, peel off a layer or two to cool down. On the other hand, if you start to feel cold, you can add a layer to stay warm. Trial and error will help you determine the number of layers you'll ultimately need in 20-degree weather. Here's a quick checklist to ensure you have the appropriate gear for 20-degree weather hiking. Base layer, moisture-wicking material such as polyester or merino wool. Insulating layer, fleece or down jacket, preferably one that covers your neck. Outer layer, wind-resistant and waterproof jacket or pants, such as Gore-Tex warm gloves or mitten. Beanie or other warm hats that covers your ears. Scarf or neck gaiter. Warm and waterproof hiking boots/shoes. Thermal socks. Sunglasses or ski goggles, to protect against snow glare. It's generally best to avoid cotton when hiking in cold weather, as it can be less effective at keeping you warm and dry compared to other materials. Staying hydrated, tips for cold weather hydration. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your hike. It's especially important to hydrate before you head out, as you may not feel as thirsty in the cold. Pack a water bottle or hydration pack that can insulate your water and prevent it from freezing. Carry extra water, as it may be more difficult to find water sources in the winter. As a last resort, melt snow for you to drink to keep yourself hydrated. By considering factors like insulation, waterproofing, and fit, you can ensure that your feet stay warm and comfortable on the trail, even in cold 20-degree weather. Keeping energy levels up on the trail. Eat a healthy, balanced diet before and during the hike. Make sure to eat plenty of protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats to fuel your body and keep your energy levels up. Stay hydrated. It's easy to become dehydrated in the cold, especially if you're not sweating as much as you would in warmer weather. Be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the hike. Bring high-energy snacks. Pack some high-energy snacks like nuts, dried fruit, or energy bars to eat throughout the hike. These will help to give you a quick burst of energy when you need it. Take breaks. Don't be afraid to take breaks when you need them. Stopping to rest for a few minutes can help to recharge your batteries and give you a boost of energy. Wear the right clothing. Make sure you're wearing the right clothing for the weather. If you're too cold, you'll expend more energy trying to stay warm, which can drain your energy levels. Pace yourself. Don't push yourself too hard on the trail. It's better to take your time and maintain a steady pace than to try to go too fast and burn out while trying to bag that peak. Enjoying the beauty of winter hiking. Take in the scenery. Cold weather hiking can offer stunning views that are not visible during other seasons. Listen to the sounds of winter. The sounds of winter can be just as beautiful as the sights. Embrace the cold. Cold weather hiking can be a refreshing change from the usual routine, and it's a great way to embrace the colder temperatures and enjoy the outdoors. Stay warm and comfortable. While it's important to embrace the cold, it's also important to stay warm and comfortable on the trail.